guys, I am Aditya Tiwari and I'm a BTech student of Maharaja Suratmal Institute of Technology, and I'll be starting with my third year of BTech, and I goes by the name of Merge Tech from the Brain Mentors company, and I really like the course. Overall, this course was divided into 4 weeks, which turned out to be 5 because the last express and note was done in the last week, and the last week we had a project submission too, and I'll rate the training as 8.5. And the starting of the training went really nice and really steady, and it ended the same way. And I'll say that the JavaScript portion was explained extraordinarily by our teacher Amit Srivastav. He was our main mentor, and overall I'll say that this course is really nice, and I'll end this discussion with that you must buy it. And overall I'll say that it comes with a package, and even if you think that this might be of just 4 weeks, but at the end of this you know that you have a direction, that how you have to encounter the next situations that you're going to face, and all the bugs will, and we are told that we can also communicate anytime with our mentors to help us with the bugs that we face in the future. Thank you guys.